Employment tribunal representation firms versus rebate dispute resolution services. Which one is better for UK and new workplace claims? Most managers get this wrong. They assume that handling workplace disputes internally is always enough. The surprising truth is that employment claims in the UK and you can escalate quickly, and the right representation can determine the outcome and cost of a dispute. Rebate dispute resolution services focus on mediation, internal investigations, and conflict management. They help companies resolve issues like performance disputes, harassment claims, or contract disagreements without going to court. For example, our teams can facilitate settlement meetings, recommend policy improvements, and prevent small conflicts from becoming formal claims. These services are cost-effective and preserve employee relationships. Employment tribunal representation firms, however, specialize in legal advocacy before employment tribunals. They prepare claims or defenses, submit evidence, represent clients in hearings, and ensure compliance with complex employment laws. For instance, a wrongful dismissal or discrimination case in the UK can involve nuanced statutory requirements and procedural rules that our teams may not fully understand. Representation firms increase the likelihood of favourable outcomes and minimise financial exposure. The key difference is prevention versus enforcement. Where services help manage and resolve disputes early, while tribunal firms ensure professional legal representation when cases escalate. Many organisations benefit from a combined approach. Internal teams address routine disputes, while specialist firms handle claims likely to go to formal proceedings. The takeaway is simple: early resolution reduces risk, but professional representation protects against costly tribunal decisions. The surprising truth is that underestimating legal complexity in new pay and new employment law can result in unexpected fines, damages, or reputational harm. For companies navigating workplace disputes, leveraging both dispute resolution and employment tribunal representation provides a balanced, effective strategy, resolving issues early and safeguarding the organisation when legal action is unavoidable.